The Arthritis Step-by-Step strategy is a perfect solution for anyone who suffers from arthritis and wants to find a way to achieve relief from this debilitating and painful issue. It is one of the more popular programs online related to arthritis and how you can cure it for good. However, it doesn't focus on modern methods, instead it is inspired by ancient Chinese medicine. Click the link in the description below this video for details. So what is this program about and how will it benefit you? Will it be able to help you achieve long-term relief from arthritis? Let's take a closer look into this program and see what it has to offer, so that you can determine whether or not it is a worthwhile investment for you. The author of this guide is a woman named Shelly Manning. She is passionate about curing arthritis because she suffered from it herself for a long time. So how did she come up with the idea for this book? Here is the story. Arthritis was ruining her happiness. It was a huge negative influence on her life and it caused her to gain weight, spend days in bed and miss out on fun activities and living a healthy lifestyle. Eventually, her husband left her for another woman and, lost and brokenhearted, she booked a trip to China to get away from it all. She was in pain as she got to China, but when she went to a local cafe a woman served her a special tea that relieved her aches and pains in an instant. She found out that it was an ancient Chinese healing herb and that it had been used to relieve arthritis for many centuries. She was amazed by how much better she felt while drinking the herb, so she learned as much as she could from the woman and then brought everything she learned back to the US to compile it in this book. If you are curious about the arthritis step-by-step strategy and whether or not it will work for you, why not give it a try? It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you really aren't happy with it you can ask for a refund and get your money back. This kind of a guarantee is only offered by someone if they are very confident in the success rate of their product, so the fact that it is offered is a very good sign. That means that there really is no risk in giving it a try if you are interested in seeing how this cure works. The best thing that can happen is that it works for you and you get the relief from your arthritis pain that you have been waiting for. Click the link in the description below this video for details.